All right, guys, so we're sitting about 58, 59 decibels on this OctoMINER meter box special edition. So it's going to be a nice, quiet unboxing. I'm just kidding, guys. We're just having a little fun here, but I'm sure you've all heard about the OctoMINER meter box team up and giveaway. So we're going to check this out Rabid style. Now, if you are not sure what a meter box is, that is simply, one of these boxes right here that you can get for either 110 or 240 volt. That'll determine on the plug you have in here, but it uses the Drock meter up top, and that's what you can use to see your wall power consumptions. Here's one for 120, and I got other ones on 240 as well. But we're gonna open this up because it's a special edition. It's supposed to be OctoMINER type of colors, like this style here. It's a greenish style here. So we're gonna see what it looks like. But yeah, it's, you never use the power that's related in your software because it's always wrong. So you always want to get your power at the wall. That way you know how much power you're actually drawing. The power company doesn't care what software is telling you. It will charge you what you're actually pulling. And software, they like to rip you off. As for the OctoServer E10, that is the big proof of useful work team up between OctoMINER and Flux. Now, as latest information that I'm aware of is the specs are complete but not released yet. So we will see the specs release on Sunday, and it sounds like pre-orders will be happening sometime Sunday night to Monday, and then shipping will happen a few weeks after that. So that's all the information I have now. Red Panda Mining actually just unboxed one of the OctoServer E10, so check that out if you haven't yet. But let's unbox this and see what is all inside of this package. All right, so let's just have a look what we got. So if we open this up here, we can see we got a nice kit here with the seals as well as screws and everything for closing it all up and all that good stuff. We have a nice little missing something, get 10% off with code. Here's a code for you guys to use right here. You can see LDROK10. Use that. Also, I have a code Rabid down in the description. That will give you a discount as well. So I don't know if they'll stack or not for the giveaway or not, but here's another code you guys can use for these guys. Do you feel lucky, punk? I don't know. Do I feel lucky? I guess we'll find out if I feel lucky. Oh, there's tape here. I got to cut this. I don't want to do that on camera because I'll probably cut my thumb off. So, safety first. All right, so I did open it up, and here you can see scan or enter the code for entries. I'm just going to place my thumb in here, which didn't get cut off. Now you can see part of my code, part of my scanner. Now, I don't think it should matter if you see this or not because I'll already have all this stuff entered, but this is the stuff we're going to have to use on the Gleam page to get that extra 1,000 entries. So this is the card needed from your proof of purchase type of operation. Looks like we got a couple stickers in here. We got the OctoMINER symbol right here, and we got this cool hologram looking meter boxing. That's pretty sweet. Look at that. Whoa, disco rave party. Hopefully no one's tripping right now. I'm just kidding, but yeah, look at that. I think it's pretty sweet right there. Awesome. And then we got the boxes themselves. Anything hiding under? Whoa, what is this? This just flew out of here. Did you guys see that? I know you guys seen that. I was recording. So we got a keychain here, little meter box keychain, so that's pretty sweet. That's awesome. That just flew out of there, so there's still things springing out like crazy. Anything in here? Nope, nothing springing out. So here you can see this is the actual 240 volt version. This will use your L6 plug, depending what you're running. Maybe if you're a different part of the world, you're using something else. But this is where your L6 plug goes, your Drock meter up here for 240 volt. And then this one here should be your 120 volt. So let's just pull this out of the box. Yes, here we can see. So same, just like we saw with the other ones over here. I'll just bring the black one up right here. Oh, it's falling all over the place. So there's the black one. There's the new limited edition green. Remember, there's only 250 of these things out there, so it's very limited. So there's our unboxing. Everything's done. Now we got to kind of jump into the workstation and enter everything in for the giveaway and claim our NFT. All right, so here we are at the actual Gleam page for this whole giveaway, and it's a pretty simple process to enter the giveaway. You don't even have to buy anything. It's totally free. You can get a few entries here by just entering your email address, your name, whatever you want to put in there, and then following OctoMINER on Twitter. Join OctoMINER's Discord, check out the OctoMINER shop, and then subscribe to all the content creators. So everyone that's been promoting this giveaway will be in a list here that you can subscribe to. Obviously, if you're not yet and you're a new viewer to the RabidMining channel, hit that subscribe button right now. And then you can check out Crypty's merchandise, which I actually have a bunch of merch there myself. And then we got here the codes that were actually needed. So right now we can see this entry here is locked. Unlock NFT and 1K bonus entries. If we click on it, you need to complete one other action first. So this isn't working. This is the part where we enter our code. So we're going to go to purchase the OctoMiner set. The unboxing we just did here. Now I'm going to put in that code. Now it's all in capital, so I'm just going to hit cap locks. Hopefully I don't mess this up because, you know, I always mess up I's and L's and, you know, but if it's all caps, should be straightforward. But let's find out what's going on here. So we're going to go IRGW6EL now, or that's a circle. See, that's kind of the mess ups I get. So that's either a 0 or an O. I guess we'll find out. And it's saying it's not working. Sorry, invalid code. So maybe it is a 0. And there, see, look at that. Good thing I did this live because we can see that people make mistakes, right? So it looks like it's a valid code. You can try it for yourself. I highly doubt it's going to work because you probably can't claim the same code. But let's go to continue here. We hit the continue button. It's doing its thing. It gave me some entries. So now this is worth 1,000 entries. What I'm going to do here is unlock the NFT, and I'm going to need my Ethereum address to do this. All right, so now we're actually going to unlock our NFT and get our bonus 1,000 entries. So we're going to click on this, and here we can see make sure you enter a valid ETH address. Otherwise, the airdropped NFT will not be validated. So you got to make sure you're using a legit Ethereum address as well as the address that is supported on the platform. I believe Ledger, MetaMask, most Ethereum wallets these days do support NFTs, but make sure yours does. So I'm actually going to use MetaMask because we know that's going to work. MetaMask, however it's pronounced. Now, depending on the last network you were on, you might have to make sure you're on the Ethereum network. But for the most part, it's the same address on every network that you use within that. So it shouldn't even really matter at that point. But double check just to make sure on the Ethereum mainnet, just so you're 100% sure. So I'm going to copy my address, which I did a few times there, paste that in, and hit continue. It's going to do its thing. It's doing its thinking process. Everything is entered. Bam! There we go. So now there's component kits and all sorts of stuff that pop up. But we are 100% entered into this giveaway at this point. And if you are looking for one of these meter boxes for yourself, be sure to hit that link down in the description. So once you have done all those steps, around July 30th, all the NFTs will be sending out to all the addresses that put in their Ethereum wallet address. Now to check out the NFT, let's have a look at it right now. Once you received it, here's how you check out what it looks like and everything. So if we go into our MetaMask, however you want to mask it up wallet, we got tokens, NFTs, and activity. If we click on NFTs, we can see it appearing right here. Now, originally, if you've never used NFTs or anything in MetaMask, you might have to turn on the Discover NFT type of thing here. It's just a little switch to turn on, but you can click on it and you can now see the NFT, and it looks like the little OctoMiner dude holding a meter box, and then in the background we got some rocket ships smashing into the Doge moon. So that's actually pretty sweet. Another way you can do it is come into OpenSea here and just go to your profile once you link up your wallet, and then simply click on it. And this will work for Ledger and stuff as well, so we can click on it. Here's a bigger view. You can see it here. You can list the item, keep the item. Looks like there's 3 current owners. There's 300 items, 6 views so far on this. I think most of them were me because I kept going onto the page a couple times to see if it would pop up. But yeah, that is how you check out your NFT once everything is said and done. All right, guys, so that's it. That is how you claim it once you do purchase a meter box. That is also how you get your NFT and how to view it once they're sent out. Final remarks here is, remember, everything will be July 31st is when the winners for all of these prizes will be announced, and the July 30th will be the final day to get everything in, and then all your NFTs will start releasing and being sent to all you guys around July 30th. So 31 days at the time of recording. We got an OctoServer E10 from OctoMiner, around a $2,200 USD value. We got an X8 Ultra Plus from OctoMiner, $897 value. We got a 2x pre-built meter box, which is what we unboxed here and showed you guys. It's $150 each value, and 2x crypto merchandise packs at a $40 value. So there's a lot of stuff happening at this giveaway. A lot of people partnered up and teamed up here. There's one of 250 limited edition OctoMiner box set. Get your secret code and everything. So get in here, enter the draw. Links are down in the description. I'll see you on the next one. Good luck to you all.